Okay, this graph represents the effect of tides on mean sea level. So if we didn't have a moon, the oceans would sit at the same level all the time. But because we do, the moon's gravity pulls the oceans towards itself, and we get bulges in the ocean water, which make it get deeper in some places on Earth and shallower in other places. And this is showing how, if you're just standing watching the ocean, you'll see it start out really deep, get shallower. This middle level is what we call mean sea level. It's the average level of the water during a day. And then the water will get shallower yet until, in this case, it's 4 meters shallower than normal. And then it starts to rise again back to normal, 4 meters deeper than average. And it keeps cycling like that continuously. And they say we should be able to get an equation, h equals a cosine bt, that describes what's happening here. So h equals a cosine bt. In other words, we must find the amplitude and the frequency. The amplitude, we can eyeball it here because this is a nice graph that's centered on the axis. This bump is 4 meters high. This valley is 4 meters deep, so from that we can get that the amplitude is 4. Or if you want to do it rigorously, you'd say the amplitude is our max minus our minimum value divided by 2, in which case the max is 4, the minimum is negative 4, divided by 2, and incredibly enough, we get an amplitude of 4. So our equation is going to be h equals 4 cosine what? Two choices. Well, I guess only one choice, sorry. The period for this is the time from where a wave starts to where that wave is complete. So we go down to a minimum, we come back up. Here is where the first wave ends and the next one's ready to begin. And how long did that take? 3, 6, 9, 12 hours. A tidal cycle is 12 hours long. That means our period is 12, and our b value is 2 pi divided by the period, which cleans up to pi by 6. So the frequency for this wave is pi by 6, and don't forget your t, and I encourage you to use some bracketing. So amplitude of 4, frequency of pi by 6, and that's how we get our period of 12 hours.